What's up, everyone? This is Bill. Today we are going to be taking a look at this. What we have here today is a product from Dynojet. Dynojet is a sponsor of my YouTube channel. And they always are sending me out cool stuff to show you guys when they come out with something new. So this is the PV3 mount kit. This is a billet aluminum clamshell. Part number 613-00086. There'll be a link in the description below to go purchase this. Okay, so this kit is going to be specifically for the Dynojet PV3. If you're not familiar with the PV3, this is what the PV3 looks like. The PV3 is a flash tuning device. This lets you create a tune file or download a tune file and flash it over to your ECU. So that's the PV3. I'll put a link in the description to the PV3 as well. PV3 is usually right around $400. Okay, so we got a couple Dynojet decals, and then the mount itself. This is a solid piece of billet aluminum. It's anodized red. It's got the Dynojet writing right there. Solid piece of billet aluminum, and then you have a back plate over here. Back plate's another piece of billet aluminum, anodized red, obviously. And then it uses more like a GoPro style mount. Okay, and these are aluminum as well. Right, and then it uses 4 in this little package here. You have 4 little Phillips head screws in there. Little tiny Phillips heads. Okay, so we'll put it all together, and then I will show you what it looks like. Today we'll be using my Can-Am Ryker to mount it onto. And previously I was using this guy. This is the claw mount. I'll put a link to that as well. So the claw mount, it can snap in here like this. Uses a GoPro style as well. So you can see here, same type of style as this. Okay. But this actually, when it screws in there, right, it is in there. Like, it's not, you can't just slide it in and out. Okay. So once you put it in there, that's it. And then you'll see that the cable is also covered right here where the clip is to release the cable. Okay, so once it's in here, this is it. This is more of a permanent mount. You're not taking it out of the vehicle. You're going to leave it mounted. It really protects it as well. Okay. So we'll put these screws in there and get it all mounted up. And then we'll head out to the bike. Okay. So I'll put these in. Let's head out to the bike. I'll see you there. This is my 2019 Can-Am Ryker. See, this is the claw mount. This is my current setup here. Okay, and that uses a GoPro style. Same thing. Just this would be just snaps in there, plugged in on the inside here. So we're gonna take it from looking like that, something like this. We've got it all screwed together, got the back screwed on, PV3's in there, as you can see. And remember, in the settings on the PV3, you can rotate this screen whichever way you want it to be. So if you need to rotate it, if you're going to mount it like this or like this, I'm using a J-hook GoPro mount. so it can mount up to the top, because I need this plug to face in. If I put it like that, it's not going to work for me, because then my plug is going to be out here. Okay, so I have this at the top, so this J-hook is working perfect for me. So we've got that on there with the screw, so it looks a lot better than a thumb screw. Okay, and then we're going to plug this in. This is coming off of the diagnostics port. This will come with your PV3. So this is just going to plug in here, and then this little rubber tab, it just goes in the USB port just to plug it and make it somewhat water resistant. Okay, so you're just going to stuff it in there as tight as you can get it. We're using a sticky flat mount that's up on top of the air duct here for the this is for the CVT transmission. So now this is going to go in from this side just like that. Okay, and then I have this loose, but we will tighten this Phillips head up, and now we are mounted down. Now you could use something that is actually the bracket here that goes into the little two prongs. You could actually use something that is actually bolted down to your vehicle, you know, a little more secure. I mean, this obviously somebody could come up to this and slide it off there if they really wanted to. But fingers crossed, you always hope for the best, huh? So anyway, that's how that goes, and that's how it gets installed. And you can see here, should be able to see it from this angle. Let me fire the bike up. Should read across the screen there, Dynojet. Right, and then it gives you a display for your gauges and whatnot. So the PV3 is not something that you have to have mounted. You can flash the vehicle and then unmount this or unplug it from the diagnostics port, or you can leave it mounted and use it for its gauges. So this billet aluminum cover would be if you're wanting it to be more of a permanent situation. You know, you don't need this cover if you're just going to plug it in and flash your bike and then be done. Right, but on the Ryker, we leave it mounted on here. I use this for flashing my Honda Grom and a bunch of different bikes. You can buy multiple tune licenses and download the different firmwares for each vehicle, each brand. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. There'll be a link in the description. This is $99.99 on Dynojet's website, so go check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. That helps me out tremendously. Keeps companies like Dynojet sending me stuff out so I can show you guys. Okay? So as always, thanks for watching. You guys have a good day. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.